trying out the hot and spicy noodles from across the world. Now, this one here, oh, the smell is pungent, bruh. Oh, you can smell the chili oils. I don't know why you come with so many packets of chili oils in it. Like, why do you need so much of seasoning? But obviously, we're gonna experience different cultures. I don't use chopsticks. I don't even know how to use it. But let's try it. What's the worst that can happen? Bismillah. It's my right hand, guys. Oh. Woo! I don't think you're supposed to put the whole packet. This shouldn't be even edible. Check the oils on that. It's tasty, but it's hot. You're not supposed to put the whole packet in there. Yup. Hot and spicy. 7 out of 10. Who's hungry?